Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a mesh splatter screen. This is the screen right in front of me right here, and it comes with this package which shows you the warranty information. As you can see, it has a lifetime warranty on there, which is really impressive, and it's by a company called BergKoch, B-E-R-G-K-O-C-H. Not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this is completely made of 304 grade stainless steel. I'm going to verify that in a second. It'll help you from splashing hot oil all over your stove. And it's a fine mesh, and it should stop 99% of the splatter, which is amazing. And this is unique because it's a large 13-inch size, so it'll fit all of your pans, so you don't have to worry about getting multiple. And it's very ergonomic feel to it, and it has feet on the bottom also. And it is very heavy-duty stainless steel construction. So you could look here at the product itself. You can see the mesh. On this side is the smooth mesh. Flip it over. You have the legs right here, which is nice because it allows you to sit it on your counter and not have the oil go all over your counter. So they really thought that out. And here you can see the name brand, and it has a nice plastic handle. Now if I take a powerful magnet, if there's any iron in here, which will be allowed to rust, this magnet would stick to it. And you can see there's absolutely no magnetism whatsoever anywhere on this. So that's a sign that this is not going to rust. And that's what you want. Now I'm going to just demonstrate how this works by trying to shoot some water through it. So I'm going to demonstrate here just a real simple process of how this works. So here I've got water spraying, and here's the mesh, and if you see what happens is the water hits that mesh, and in this case it just drops right down to the sink, just like that. You can see right there it's just going straight down. So same thing happens with the oil. The difference is the oil will collect just like the water's collecting right there, and it'll keep it from going into your walls, and then you can just clean this afterwards with soapy water. So what's my overall opinion about the mesh splatter screen from the company right there, B-E-R-G-K-O-C-H. As I showed with water as an example, this works really well. This is the kind of product you want if you want to minimize the oil splashes on your stove. This is definitely very good quality. I can understand why it has a lifetime warranty because it's high quality. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this video review, please hit the like button too. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.